Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel. It's a cold day here in the Central Florida region. So I'm here in the garage. Wanted to bring another video to you guys. For those of y'all with any type of John Deere Gator, here's a really cool product for those of you who are looking for a mirror option to mount onto your Gator. If you look, most of your Gators, I'll point to it, the mirrors are mounted to the outside onto the A-pillar there, and that's okay, but as soon as you start going off-road or into woods and stuff, you're going to start smacking into the mirror with the branches into your mirror. So not a greatest option. So here's an alternative. This here is just a normal golf cart mirror. You can pick these up for, I was looking just real quick on Amazon, for about 17 bucks. It is a 5 mirror that's usually mounted onto golf carts. And there's all the hardware and stuff. I'll show you how we mounted the feet onto the hard plastic top there. And let me show you that real quick. So on the front here, this is the front view of the hard top roof. And how we mounted that was right to the roof using rivets. 2 in each bracket. And real simple. So let me show you what it looks like from the inside of the cab. Real quick. So here we are in the cab. This is what how the mounting is done from inside the cab in the roof. Normally the golf cart, how this is mounted is this bracket's right now horizontal. Most times this is up and down in the column view. But in this particular application, we've got it mounted horizontal, and it comes out. There's your holes right there. Real simple. Let me go ahead and show you how simple it is to install this mirror and what it looks like, the final product. So hang on. So here on the mirror, how it's mounted. On the right hand side here is a fixed bolt that does not come out, does not come in. And then on the other side, there's a hole. Look at it right there. Here's the bolt that goes through, that feeds through. It does have a square on it that goes into the square hole there, as you can see. There you go. And then this is what tightens it up. So let me show you real quick how to install it and the finished product. Alrighty, so here we are. This is going to be a little bit tricky for me as I'm holding the camera in one hand and going to be installing this. And we'll probably need 2 hands, but we'll try. So real simple. We're going to take the mirror here and that bolt that I was talking about. Take it, and there you go. And on this side, again, should be just a little bit complicated. We're going to feed the bolt through. Sorry, big fingers. Fat fingers, just recently saw. So there we go. We're going to get this in place. Or not. Let me put you guys on pause and we'll put this bolt in. Sorry about that. Fat fingers got in the way. So here we are. We're just going to take this, we're going to tighten it up. Like so. And then inside that cap, I'll show you here how it mounts. Inside there, as you can see, there's the bolt. Real hard to see. I'm trying to get the light in there. There's a bolt inside there, and you can see the plastic's molded to allow for the bolt to go in. So then we'll just go over here and screw this side on. like so. And then the finished product, you can twist this up and down to get to your desired height. I'm a little bit tall. Again, it's real hard to focus, but it gives you a full range of the entire back of your UTV here. Really good mirror. Let me get out and I'll show you what it looks like from outside the cab. And then that's the finished product. Again, you can adjust this up and down, to whatever desired height you guys want. Real simple installation, guys. It can't get any easier than that. And then it doesn't loosen up like the mirrors do on the actually the factory mirrors. They loosen up, and we're not real impressed with them. But hope this video was entertaining and informal. Yeah, you guys get it. Please like and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Thanks, guys.